Opening scene. Welcome back to Auto Car Reviewer. Today, we've got something truly special for all the car enthusiasts out there. A name that carries a rich heritage, reborn for the modern era, and the all-new 2025 MGB. A legendary British roadster imagined for the future, blending classic charm with cutting-edge technology. So, is this the revival we've been waiting for? Let's find out. Close-up shots of the car's front grille, headlights, and sleek body lines. First things first, the design. The 2025 MGB stays true to its roots with a retro-inspired design that pays homage to the classic MGB of the 60s and 70s. But make no mistake here, this is no ordinary throwback. The sleek, aerodynamic body features sharp LED headlights, a wide front grille, and a sculpted hood that adds a modern touch while keeping that classic British sports car essence alive. The long hood and short rear overhang scream traditional roadster styling, and for those who love convertibles, yes, there's an open-top version. Aerial view of the car driving through twisty roads. Now, let's talk about performance. The new MGB ditches the old-school naturally aspirated engines for something more advanced. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.0-litre turbocharged four-cylinder engine pushing out around 250 horsepower. This power plant is paired with a lightweight chassis, ensuring a thrilling driving experience. And for the purists, MGB is offering a 6-speed manual transmission alongside an automatic option, because what's a British roadster without the joy of rowing through the gears? Close-up of the driver shifting gears, exhaust note plays. But here's where things get really interesting. MGB is also embracing the electric revolution. A fully electric variant is in the lineup, featuring a 70 kilowatt-hour battery pack, delivering an estimated 300 miles of range, with instant torque and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 5 seconds. This F version proves that electric cars can still be exhilarating. Whether you go for the gas-powered thrill or the electric future, the MGB is all about bringing back the joy of open-top motoring. Interior shots: a steering wheel, infotainment system, seats. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cockpit that blends nostalgia with modern-day tech. The classic round dials make a comeback but are now fully digital, giving you all the essential driving information with a retro aesthetic. The leather-wrapped seats are sporty yet comfortable, designed to give you that snug roadster feel. And the infotainment system, a massive touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected while enjoying the drive. MGB has kept things minimal but premium, staying true to its driver-focused philosophy. Shot of the car cruising at night, showcasing its lighting. Driving dynamics. Well, MGB has worked hard to keep this car as engaging as ever. Thanks to its lightweight aluminium construction and near-perfect weight distribution, the handling is razor-sharp. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising along the coastline, the 2025 MGB feels alive in your hands. The steering is precise, the suspension strikes a balance between comfort and sportiness, and with rear-wheel drive, you can expect some old-school fun when pushing it through corners. Clip of different colors and customization options. For those who love to personalize their ride, MGB offers a range of customization options. From classic British racing green to bold modern hues, there's a color for every enthusiast. Wheel designs, interior trims, and even a choice of soft-top materials let you make your MGB truly unique. Comparison shot with the classic MGB. So, is the 2025 MGB the perfect modern reincarnation of a legend? Well, it certainly has the right ingredients: a timeless design, exciting performance, and the latest technology, all while staying true to the spirit of the original. Whether you're a fan of the classic MGB or a newcomer to the brand, this roadster has something special to offer. Closing shot of the car parked against a stunning sunset. What do you think of the all-new 2025 MGB? Is this the revival the world needed? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the latest and greatest cars. Until next time, keep driving, keep exploring. This is Auto Car Reviewer, signing off.